Hi, welcome to TechVenture. So today we have the Pixel Buds Pro. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? AirPods Pro. Wait. No, these are the Google Pixel Pros. Yeah, but they did almost copy them. Anyways, there are two pull tabs, it looks like. One right here and one right here. Also very similar to a certain company. But that's okay. That's okay. You know, if you can't beat them, join them. You know what I'm saying? So, obviously I got the green ones, or they call them, I believe they have a special name for them. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is the name. Open that up. Boom. And then you just pull these out. Also, almost similar wrapping to a certain company. Never mind. This just peels off, I believe. Yeah, there we go. That just peels off, comes out right away. Oh, actually, I kind of like these. They look really cool. They almost look like an egg that's been squished. Like an look at that, an egg that is squished. Anyways, what else do we get in the box? Oh, whoa. What is this? Oh, that's so cool. These are the ear tips. No way. That is very genius. They put them in this like little cylinder tube thingy. One side is for the large ones, and they have a picture, and then the other side is for the small ones there. You can just pull them, and then they fall out. Fall out, there we go. They fall out. You can put it back in, and boom, and then close them. Yeah, you can line them up, or you don't have to line them up. That doesn't matter. Those are those. And what else? No cable. What? But something we don't use. But yeah, that is it. That is the whole box. So yeah, that is pretty much it of all the unboxing. You get the earbuds as well. There they are. You open them up like that, and they are ready to pair. But yeah, that is pretty much all the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day or night whenever you're watching this.